channel, A Mom with a Camera. So, firstly, I hope everyone is safe and are at home. Please wear 2 masks when you're stepping out, but my suggestion would be to not step out at all. So, as the title suggests, I hope you have all read the title and you know what I'm going to talk about today is all about acne and the products I use so that my acne reduces, and it really worked for me. So, അത് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് ഈ വീഡിയോ. എല്ലാവരും വിചാരിക്കും മൈ സ്കിൻ 1 or 2 pimples, what will you talk about acne? അല്ല, എനിക്ക് കുറേ പിമ്പിൾസ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഇറ്റ് വാസ് ബാഡ്. I was born and brought up from Bangalore, and I got my placement like after I did my engineering. I got placed in Cognizant Chennai. So ഒരു വർഷം ഞാൻ ചെന്നൈയിലായിരുന്നു. ഈ ഫേസിലാണ് എനിക്ക് പിമ്പിൾസ് വന്നത്. ബിക്കോസ് ഞാൻ ബാംഗ്ലൂരിൽ തന്നെ ജീവിച്ച ഒരാൾ, ഞാൻ സഡൻലി ട്രാൻസ്ഫർ ചെയ്തിട്ട് ചെന്നൈ പോയി. വെദർ ചേഞ്ച് ഇസ് ഡ്രാസ്റ്റിക് ഫ്രം ബാംഗ്ലൂർ ടു ചെന്നൈ, ആൻഡ് ഹോം ഫുഡ് ആയിരുന്നു ത്രൂ ഔട്ട് ലൈഫ്, ആൻഡ് സഡൻലി ചേഞ്ച് ഓഫ് ഫുഡ്. സോ ഈ രണ്ട് കാര്യമാണ് എൻ്റെ സ്കിൻ്റെ ചേഞ്ച് വരാൻ കാരണം. സോ ഐ ഗോട്ട് ലോട്ട് ഓഫ് പിമ്പിൾസ് ഫ്രം ഹിയർ ഓൺവേർഡ്സ് ടിൽ ഹിയർ. ഐ വാസ്, മൈ ഗോഡ്, എനിക്ക് പിക്കുണ്ടോയെന്ന് അറിയത്തില്ല, ബട്ട് സംഹൗ മാനേജ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ ക്ഷമിക്കുക. ബിക്കോസ് ഐ ഡിഡ്ന്റ് ടേക്ക് any kind of pics that time because obviously നമ്മൾ തന്നെ കോൺഷ്യസ് ആവും. So I was affected really bad, and it was not these tiny ones, it was the huge pimples, and it used to pain, your face used to pain. അങ്ങനെയായിരുന്നു വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. And that time I didn't go to a dermatologist or go to a doctor. All people used to suggest put this cream and all of that. So ഞാൻ അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഞാൻ വഷളാക്കിയതേ ഉള്ളൂ എൻ്റെ ഫേസ്. So അങ്ങനെ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു, then I started, we started making food in the house, trying to drink a lot of water. So അത് കുറച്ച് റെഡ്യൂസ് ആയി, ബട്ട് പിമ്പിൾസ് were there. And ഒരു മിസ്റ്റേക്ക് ഞാൻ ചെയ്തത്, ഞാൻ എല്ലാം പിമ്പിൾസ് പൊടിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നു. സോ അതിൻ്റെ സ്കാർസ് കണ്ടോ, ഇപ്പോഴും കാണാം. സോ ഇറ്റ്സ് എ പ്രൂഫ് ദാറ്റ് ഐ ഹാവ് എ ലോട്ട് ഓഫ് പിമ്പിൾസ്. സോ അതിൻ്റെ സ്കാറാണ് ഇത്. ഞാൻ കുറേ പിമ്പിൾസ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു, അതൊക്കെ പൊട്ടിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നു. എൻ്റെ അമ്മ കുറേ പ്രാവശ്യം പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്, പൊട്ടിക്കല്ലേ. Even when she's watching this video, she will be like, correct. ഇപ്പോഴും ഞാൻ പൊട്ടിക്കാറുണ്ട്. നമ്മുടെ കൈ ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക്കലി അങ്ങോട്ട് പോകും. സോ അതെങ്ങനെ നിർത്തിയെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ, എൻ്റെ അമ്മ എൻ്റെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനോട് പറഞ്ഞു, when she touches her face to burst the pimples, just hit her on the hand. So എല്ലാവരും ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് പറ്റിയ ചാൻസിന് എല്ലാവരും എന്നെ അടിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നു. So in a way that is good because it has reduced a lot, that I won't keep plucking on my pimples, I don't burst it. So അങ്ങനെയാണ് കുറച്ച് കുറഞ്ഞത്. പക്ഷേ വീണ്ടും ചേഞ്ച് വന്നത് എൻ്റെ കല്യാണത്തെ സമയത്തായിരുന്നു. During my engagement also I was flooded with pimples. I don't know why. What changed? Hormone changed, I don't know what, but I was flooded with pimples. And thank you so much, Nitin, for accepting me that time, because I was like not that great that time. So I had a lot of pimples and I didn't know what to do, and I tried all methods, but it was just there. I never knew it was hormonal. So always go to a doctor is my suggestions when you get any kind of acne, as in like the outbreaks, like a lot of it. That time consult a doctor. The ones when you get 1 or 2 is totally fine, where you can apply cream and it will go. So and girls are kind of unfortunate in a way, because we get our period cycle every month, and for me, I'm very unlucky because I get 2-3 pimples. Automatically they'll come and say, hello, I've come to visit you. So അങ്ങനെയാണ് എൻ്റെ pimples വരുന്നത്. Every month I will get pimples for sure. I am the unfortunate ones, and I hope I have some company here. Come on guys, all the girls out there, do I have some company? Whoever gets on their cycle, oh my god, I don't know how to stop that as well. So what I do is, before I used to get some 5-6 like an allergy madri എൻ്റെ ഫേസിലോട്ട് വരും. സോ പിന്നെ ഞാൻ കുറേ വായിച്ചെല്ലാം പഠിച്ചിട്ട്, സോ 1 week before I know my cycle is going to start, I'll be drinking loads of water. അപ്പോൾ ഇപ്പം 1 or 2 വരത്തുള്ളൂ. So this is what I do, and it reduces my tummy pain as well when I drink a lot of water. So അതാണ് ഒരു സോ എവിടെയായിരുന്നു ഞാൻ? അപ്പോൾ 2015 അങ്ങനെയായിരുന്നു. പിന്നെ കല്യാണം കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഞാൻ മുംബൈയിലോട്ട് ഷിഫ്റ്റായി. സോ വീണ്ടും വെതർ ചേഞ്ച്, വീണ്ടും ഫുഡ് ചേഞ്ച്. അപ്പോൾ ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക്കലി all my pimples came and said, I really missed you. So kore vannu. So then it's high time I went to a dermatologist, and she said it's a hormonal issue. don't worry, don't panic. Just she gave me medicines and she gave me few creams and it worked beautifully. I need to thank that doctor, but unfortunately I don't have the prescription to like share it with you guys, and for each person it differs, so it wouldn't really matter. But I really wanted, like recently I got a lot of pimples and I wanted those medicines, but ഞാൻ അത് സൂക്ഷിച്ച് വെച്ചിട്ടില്ലായിരുന്നു. So അങ്ങനെയായിരുന്നു. So lately and during pregnancy, wow, no periods, nothing. So it was beautiful. I ate right, I drank a lot of water during that phase, so my face was glowing, not even one single pimple. Then I realized if you eat right, if you drink a lot of water, you're not going to get pimples. So even after delivery I had to feed Nila, so I ate good food, I drank a lot of water, so voila, no pimples at all. I stopped feeding her, back to junk food, and I hardly drank water, and there he goes, my pimple came back and said again, I missed you. So that is my journey. And recently of late I'm in Kerala right now, again weather change, but luckily we have only homemade food, so I stopped drinking water here, and it's very very hot, so you need to consume a lot of water. So I didn't do that of late, and I got a lot of pimples, and I posted it on Instagram, and I asked, does anyone have any remedy? The problem was I posted a pic, I put Colgate on my face because the tea tree oil which I used is completely over, and since it was lockdown I didn't want to go outside and purchase. So for the time being, because it was paining, I put Colgate, and a lot of people said, Chichi, I will suggest you some medicines, buy these. So a lot of people actually recommended me certain products, and I was like, okay, try Chedalo. And so what I did, I googled it out, I read out the reviews of the various products which were suggested to me, and I picked out the best ones. And I must tell you, the pimple size reduced within one day, and the pain was gone, and oh my god, can you see any active pimples? No, right? So I'm taking care of my skin right now, like I'm on a mission, and like I'm going to make my skin back to how it was. So I'm using certain products, so I'm going to tell you what I am using, and thank you so much. I will put in their pictures here, their IDs on Instagram who suggested me these beautiful medicines, which I'm going to like save it. So yeah, I really thank them for suggesting me this, and it's really helped me, and I'm suggesting you guys this as well. So if it helps, well and good. So these products are not sponsored, guys. I bought it with my own money, so there's nothing for me to gain here. So the first thing which I'm going to tell you is about face wash. So this is an anti-acne face wash. This I only googled and I researched, so I'm using this face wash. I hope you guys can see. I will put a picture over here with the cost of it, so you guys can check it out and try. As you open it and smell, you know, okay, this is acne wala face wash. Okay, ഇതിന്റെ പ്രൈസ് വെച്ചാൽ എത്രയാണെന്ന് ഞാൻ പറയാം. ഓ നോ, ഇതെവിടെയാ? This price is $299, and as you can see I am using it. So this is the face wash which I use, and let me get on to the next product. So after I put the face wash and wash my face, I put a cream. Okay, so this is the cream which I use always a sunscreen cream, and this has green tea content in it, so it is very good for acne. This is by Plum, and ഇതിൻ്റെ കോസ്റ്റ് okay, I couldn't find the cost of it, but I'll obviously put a screenshot and you guys can check it out. Okay, idu kayinittu, see, there are main products, 4 main products which I use when I get acne. So if I can't use, obviously you can't use all the medicines at one go, so I will tell you 2 main products, and sometimes I do alternate of it. Okay, so the first main product which was suggested by my Instagram follower, she said this is really good, and I completely agree with her. So this is Retino-A. So this is the pimple cream which I use. So this is white in color, and it's not transparent, so you can't put this and walk out. So once you put it, it's going to be all white, and after sometimes you cannot see the cream because the skin has absorbed it, and after that you can wash it off. Okay, since so ഇതിൻ്റെ cost 230 rupees, and this is available in any medical shop. So again, I will put a screenshot, or I'm just going to take a pic and going to put it here. And this I apply in the morning, and once it is done, once it is dried off, I wash it off, and then I apply the next product. The next one is Acne-Sol solution for acne. So this is the product. You get it in Amazon and you get it in the nearby medical stores. This costs around 82 rupees. Okay, so what you can do with this is you can apply 3 times a day, morning, afternoon and dinner. It's just a lotion, and you can just apply, and then after like an hour or something you can wash it off. This is amazing, trust me on that. This is the one which reduced the bump for my pimple. I just applied this, and after sometimes I got this. So this really works. So what you can do is apply this, after some time wash it off, apply this, and then your day goes as it is. You don't need to apply anything else. Then afternoon again put this, then wash it off. Then in the night you can put this again. So this I just put it once, only when there's active acne. Otherwise I put only this. Okay, so after these two are done, in the night I put a scar removal cream. So the thing is, because I burst a lot of acne, I have scars, like a lot of it. So as you can see, it has become lighter, luckily, because I think the product actually works. So this is acne scar removal. It's from Bare Body. I got it from Amazon. I did a lot of research and I checked it out, and this kind of had good reviews, so I bought it. It's pretty decent. It's white in color. As you can see, I am using it. This. So I just apply this and I go to bed, and in the morning I just rinse my face. So these are the 3 products which I use. I didn't tell the cost of this. This is around 395 rupees. It is good, guys, and I think it really helped my skin. And one more thing which is really good is obviously tea tree oil, and I mix tea tree oil with vitamin E oil and mix it together, and then I apply it on my face. So I do this on the alternate basis. So either this or it is the tea tree oil. Tea tree oil, you get it online, any kind of brand is fine. There's not necessarily you need to buy the actual brand and all. Just check the content and then buy, guys. And this tea tree oil is 450 rupees. Okay, so this like a 2 drop, and then vitamin E oil 1 drop. Mix it together and then apply wherever there is your active pimple. And then please make sure that you don't apply directly, because this is going to make your skin dry. Okay, so only these are my products, guys, and see, I explained each one of it, and I'll make sure that I put a screenshot of each of the products so you guys can go purchase if you're interested. So yeah, please take care of your skin. And I know acne is like, you know, okay, tell me who all are with me in this. If it's my birthday, I get a pimple. If it's like any occasion, like okay, anyone's marriage which I'm supposed to go, I will get a pimple for sure. I don't know, these pimples have some psychic kind of a power, you know, like just to come to ruin your day. So yeah, I hope some of you at least agree with me here. So people who have acne issue, you guys can try out these products, but if it's hormonal, the pimples are still going to come, so you have to consult a doctor, have those medicines, and I'm sure those are going to really help you. So try this, drink a lot of water. I know, I mean, I'm telling this again and again because I'm telling myself also to drink a lot of water. Trust me, I drink at least around 2.5 liters per day. Before I used to drink 4 liters. Now I don't know, I don't get the time to drink water, so I kind of remind myself, put an alarm on my phone like drink water. So that's how I'm doing it right now till I get the flow of it. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and take care of your skin and stay beautiful. And yeah, that's it from my side. Every skin is different. We go through a lot. You are beautiful no matter what, but these are some things which we can take care. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, do share and subscribe to my channel as well. It will mean the world to me. Comment below what kind of videos you want next, and I'll definitely do it. So see you guys next week.